That idea of humans becoming gods is a very old idea. To solve the technical problem of physical death so that people may live forever. They can die, but they don't have to. And he says technical problems have technical solutions, and that's where we are with physical death. Humans want to be happy, so we've got to do that. How are we going to do that? Re-engineering them from ground up, genetically, every other way, drugs, etc., all kinds of different ways, adding technology, implants, all kinds of things, until we move the humans from the animal stage. We, with our superior brain power, we'll turn them into superhumans. We'll turn them into little gods.